So Sam, what are your goals? What would you like to see happen?
I'm a mother of 2. I have a great regime at home, but I'm noticing some laxity in the skin. I really just want that youthful luster without having a filled face.
Natural way to do things is to enhance the underlying structure, right? So let's look at Sam. So she has the forehead. She's got a nice slope here, nice support here. She's in her early 30s. We know there's going to be a descent of tissues in this direction. We know we're going to get some laxity as things move this way, and you start supporting the structures in this direction, in that direction, in this direction. Because it glides very easily, it's a very comfortable procedure. Catch this area where we get a fair amount of laxity in the skin, so I'm trying to create some support there. Just show you how to do the massaging, right? So we want to start here by nice circular motions, and you see I'm pressing against the bone.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then I'm going to come up and I'm going to press here against the bone. And then I'm going to bring it out in gently circular fashion. I'm moving this out.
Okay.
So you're going to do this 5, 5, 5, 5 minutes, 5 times a day for 5 days.